Alright, number 84 is the next one I'm going to do, 84. And it says that the weights of people riding the elevator are from a population, the population mean is 160. And there's a variance for the population that's 400. So the standard deviation, just quickly, the square root of that is 20. And if the elevator has a 4,600 pound capacity, it will crash it. That's the max. That would crash it. Find the probability that a random sample of 30 people would cause this to go down. So if we have 30 people and there's 4,600, that means each person would have to be over what average weight. So we're going to take 4,600 divided by 30, and the average weight of the person would have to be 153 1/3 pounds. So what's the probability that 30 people would crash this elevator? Well, that's below the mean, so it's probably fairly likely. But we have to look at the samples distribution. Okay, so the mean of the sample should be similar to the mean of the population, 160, but the standard deviation of a sample is the standard deviation of the population divided by the square root of the size of the sample, in this case 30. So we get 20 divided by the square root of 30, which is 3.65. So there's if we go up here, we go 163.65 for one standard deviation above, and down one would be 154.6.35, and we have to get down to 153 1/3, 153.3333. So we want to know what's the probability that the average weight of the 30 people is above that. Well, that would be, we would do the normal distribution. We could get the z-score for this. So we take 153 1/3 minus the mean 160 divided by the standard deviation, which is 3.65, and we get divided by 160, minus 160 divided by 3.65, and we're getting a z-score of minus 1.82 or 83. And if I look up that z-score on a table, 1.83 is 4,664. That would be the area here. And the area above would be that plus 5, which would be 0.9664. So there's a 97% chance that the average weight of 30 people would crash that elevator. Not good odds. So don't want to get into that elevator with those kind of odds. Okay? So keep it under 30 people, please. All right, that's 84.